Hi guys, a very warm welcome to Body Pro Coach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today we are doing a keto strawberry lassi. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. Hi guys, today we are doing a keto strawberry lassi. Ingredients for the same: Greek yogurt, Zevic stevia, cardamom powder. We're going to be using beetroot as a color and fresh strawberries. And here we go. So first we're going to add Greek yogurt. I'm adding approximately 150 to 180. To that I'm going to add my half a teaspoon cardamom powder. Next, ice. Then my favorite sweetener, that is Zevic stevia powder, our homemade food color. So you can find the link below how to make the food color. So I've added 2 tablespoons of the same. Lastly, 7 to 8 pieces of fresh strawberry. There you go. And let's blend the same and go ahead. And our lassi is ready. So our keto strawberry lassi is ready. The preparation time is less than 5 minutes. That means it's super easy. Second, we have used Greek yogurt. That means it is extremely less in calories. It's going to keep you in your ketosis of the diet you're following, and it's not going to take you out of your ketosis stage. Third, Greek yogurt also provides you amazing amount of proteins, and strawberries are anti-inflammatory. Thank you so much for watching our video. Request you to please share the channel with as many friends and people as possible so that they get to know about healthy recipes, amazing workouts, everything about nutrition on one place. That's Body Pro Coach.